Hi. It's time to learn how to talk about my things. I have. I don't have. My is. My is not. It is my. It is not my. This is my. This is not my. That is my. That is not my. These are my. These are not my. Those are my. Those are not my. Examples. I have a dog. I don't have a dog.
My dog is big. My dog is not big.
It is my pen. It is not my pen.
This is my brush. This is not my brush.
That is my bag. That is not my bag.
These are my toys. These are not my toys.
Those are my cups. Those are not my cups.
I have 3 t-shirts. I don't have 3 t-shirts.
My room is cute. My room is not cute.
It is my spoon. It is not my spoon.
This is my cake. This is not my cake.
That is my milk. That is not my milk.
These are my cookies. These are not my cookies.
Those are my beds. Those are not my beds.
Conversations.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. What about you?
No, I don't have a pet.
What color is your chair?
My chair is orange. Is your chair orange, too?
No. My chair is not orange. It is blue.
Whose pen is this?
It is my pen. Is this your notebook?
No, it is not my notebook.
Is this your family?
That is not my family. This is my family.
This is not my toothbrush.
Oh, that is my toothbrush.
Are these your shoes?
Yes, those are my shoes. Are those your socks?
No. Those are not my socks. These are my socks. Your turn. I have. I don't have. My is. My is not. It is my. It is not my. This is my. This is not my. That is my. That is not my. These are my. These are not my. Those are my. Those are not my.
Good job. Bye.